guys, mayong buntag. Walang tawag nito, bawal mapuyat. Kahit anong oras ka umuwi sa gabi, kailangan maaga ka sa next day. Time check natin, 8:47 a.m. Daming lamok sa sasakyan namin. 8:47 a.m. and today is the last day farewell party of Calby and Chico to their friends and teacher. So magdala daw ng snacks to share. Of course tayo ay masipag na nanay, lagi tayong handa. Kaya meron tayong 1 bucket ng Dunkin Donut Munchies. So dadalhin ko na lang to sa classroom nila. They will have a party for 2 hours, guys. Tara. Maaga pa tayo, guys. Hatid natin si Auntie dito sa Hime Salon Jensen. So Auntie is getting her nails done today for the wedding tomorrow. Good morning! Nakalong gown ba ako? Hoy, nanay naka-assign sa nails?
Sila kay na.
Okay, sige. Okay na. Maka-nail siya? Okay. Auntie, come. This is the jelly bean jelly. This one is jelly. I'm not sure if this one comes in the same price. Like this one is pretty, this one is pretty, this one is pretty for the wedding. Or for me, I use this color, like the nail color. Okay? What's your nail color? I think you will be more like this, like that. If you want the nail color, you can ask them. This is first coat. This is 2 coats. This is triple coat. Yeah. There's a lot of pretty ones. That's pretty. Purple. Because this one doesn't look like it's nice for the wedding.
Yeah, it's nice.
But this one is also good, eh? This one is good and this one is good.
I'll eat that this a bit.
Yeah? You like that? Yeah, it looks very clean. You can choose this one. Because this one is like... But, sige. It's okay. Can you help connect Auntie's Wi-Fi? Thank you so much. Okay. Gel package na lang ako, ha? Guys. This one is like violet. Ay, purple. But I think this one is pretty for you and it's very clean.
Christine!
Hi! Oh, she's here. She's very good. Please clean everything and remove the dead feelings. The dead feelings of the heart, the dead emotions. I mean the dead skin cells. Okay, Auntie, you can sit. I think she will finish in an hour by the time kids will be done.
Yeah.
So once again, guys, we are at Hime Salon where Auntie and I do our nails, do our self-love, our pampering. Ayan guys, Hime Salon Jensen. Pinakauna kami dito, first honor valedictorian. Nauna pa kami sa staff, na sa amin yung susi, kami yung opener. So Auntie, I will leave you. Sit down and kanang feel at home. Okay, I'm going to my shop now. Ari na lang sige. Auntie, which one do you choose daw? English ba? Go. Go na. Sige na, go Hime.
What color do you like?
Oh, aba.
This one.
Yeah. You can try that one, okay? How about this? You can show her this on her nails, then remove. You can choose these two. Then she can choose from there, no?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Oh, look at the nails. Still, the color is still there.
Yeah. This one is for last year by the way.
It's good, eh?
Last year they
I think so. Tanggal lang dead skin, ate, ha. Bye-bye. Okay, Auntie, have fun. Ha? Okay, guys. Tara na. Bye-bye, Auntie. Morning, guys. Maaga pa tayo ngayon. Today is the final fitting. Morning. Final fit for, rust.
Ito sir,
Mag-final fitting tayo ngayon, guys, for our bridesmaid gown para bukas.
Ready na lang siya ikuha.
Yes po. Or bacon soda. Ay sir, pwede po niyo.
So, antayin lang natin kasi wala na akong time mamaya. Kailangan ko na magsukat today para matanggal na to sa to-do list natin ngayong araw. But I don't see the gown here. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako punta. Mag-final fitting ako, ate.
Ano yun mo?
Princess po. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Final fit tayo. Tingnan natin kung tama na ba lahat. Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa ating fitting. So far so good. Konting-konti na lang, but this is the final fit. Hindi na tayo babalik mamaya. So the next time we're going to see our bridesmaid gown is mamayang gabi. No, bukas ng umaga sa hotel. Alright, let's go to work.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, good morning! Natapos na din ako ng sukat ng ating bridesmaid gown. At konti na lang talaga ang problema kanina kasi dahil ano yun siya, ang original design ng dress ay Filipiniana. Ngayon, hindi bagay sa akin yung Filipiniana guys para ako mag-attend ng SONA. So sabi ko, pa-change na lang siya ng parang off-shoulder. Ngayon yung off-shoulder naman na nilagay, masyadong masyadong matamlay. Parang hindi nakapag-breakfast sa umaga yung off-shoulder. So sabi ko, i-adjust naman nila ng konti. Pero yung kanyang fit sa katawan ko, yung haba ng palda, sobrang okay na. So konting-konti na lang talaga and they will plancha na daw yung mga damit and then ihahatid nila sa venue mamayang gabi para tomorrow morning ready na para sa aming palitan. At ngayon, andito na ako sa shop guys. Ang aga ni Miss Giselle today kasi nga nag-alsabalutan kami last time and magpa-finalize kami today dahil ang busy-busy namin ngayong araw dahil bukas ang kasal ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Holiday po ang Mayumi Thailand Closet. Miss Giselle will be with us for the wedding. And of course, kailangan namin itong gawin para mag-back na kami sa normal namin na operation. Ayun. And si Parts umalis muna. Sinundo yung dalawang anak ko. Si Auntie nasa salon pa, nagpapagawa ng kuko. Si Chico at si Calby kakatapos lang ng kanilang class party, farewell party. Nagpadala na lang ako kanina ng kanilang munchkins. Susunduin sila ngayon ni Parts. Meron akong sugat sa guys. Ayan Kaya medyo dry yung aking lips. So, excuse lang muna kung napapansin nyo na medyo uncomfortable ako. But anyway, sinundo na sila ni Parts. Pagdating dito mamaya sa shop, hanap na lang ako ng way para hindi sila masyadong makaabala. And then, tatapusin namin tong trabaho ngayon. Kasi Parts and I, we have to go to our weekly meeting sa laundry shop. Para, itong weekly meeting na to ginagawa ko to guys para ma-update ako ng ating staff na si Ate Hana sa mga possible, mga issues, mga concerns. Ano pa ba yung mga gusto niyang sabihin? May mga tanong, may mga updates, may mga customer reviews, ano yung mga needs na kailangan bilhin, then magka-cash out ng pera, ganun yung ginagawa namin. So, kung nahanap ninyo si Kuya Kahil is at home with my brother, Tito Toto, yung aking kapatid na real estate agent from Cebu. He's back home to celebrate the wedding with us for 4 days only. Too sad. Pero wala tayong magagawa kasi my brother is a working student. Plus, siya guys, nag-travel siya around the world. Sana all sa ganyang nag-aaral siya, nakapag-travel pa siya. Kasi syempre meron siyang mga incentive from selling properties. Ang galing, diba? And if you guys are looking for a trusted real estate agent sa Cebu, ayan, i-contact niyo po ito. Newly raised Cebuano, kapatid ko po yan siya guys. Taga Cebu po siya nakabase. He's really, really good at what he does. Do not get fooled by his age and sa kanyang maamo at batang mukha. Ang galing ng kapatid kong maghanap ng magandang property na pasok sa inyong budget or pasok sa inyong hinahanap. Yung home feels home talaga, yung mararamdaman ninyo. Huwag kayong mahiyang mag-communicate sa kanya guys. He's very, very approachable and of course, you are supporting a working student na din. Pinapaaral niya yung sarili niya. Simula nag first year college siya, real estate agent din yung kanyang kinukuhang course para maging real estate agent. Ayun. Si Kahil kasama niya ngayon sa bahay. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, pinakiusapan ko siya na iwan ko muna siya sa bahay kasama si Kahil at si Mayumi kasi si Auntie nagpamper saglit. Si Calby at si Chico ay pupunta ng school. And then mamaya, pagka nakauwi si Auntie at yung dalawang kulot natin, si Kuya Kahil naman at yung kapatid ko ang magliliwaliw sa mall kasi bibili ng shoes for the wedding. Yes, wala pang sapatos for the wedding guys. Auntie also is going to check the dress na kailangan niyang suotin for the wedding bukas. Susukat siya. And then, ako naman, dito lang muna ako sa Mayumi magfo-focus and laundry shop. Then, mga last minute natin na mga preparation para sa kasal bukas. Kasi bukas, guys, I have to be at the venue by 8 a.m. to start our hair and makeup, photoshoot namin, mga videos para sa kasal ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Of course, with Nino Solis, yung ating photographer and videographer for the wedding. Ayan. Ano pa ba? I believe that's it, no? Natutuwa ako sa lahat ng mga nag-comment nga pala recently sa mga upload natin sa bridal shower ni Madam Ten Gibbs. At hindi ko man lang na-share sa inyo yung review ko guys, pero sobrang masaya ako na ginawa namin yung, ilagay natin yung phone dito. Ayan. Sobrang saya ako at ginawa natin itong bridal shower ni Madam Ten Gibbs. It was, I would say it was successful. I would say it's even 11 out of 10 if you ask me to rate it. Bakit? Dahil hindi lang sa successful na napaiyak natin si Madam Ten Gibbs, dalang-dala talaga siya sa acting ko, guys. And normally, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-acting ng ganyan. Hindi ako marunong mag-prank. Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng kwento. Lumalabas talaga pag nagsisinungaling ako, guys. Hindi ako marunong. Promise ko sa inyo yan. I feel na mahahalata. Pero this time talagang pre-practice ko kasi alam ng kapatid ko, hindi na bago sa kanya na kapag ka merong nag-i-invite sa akin for dinner or for lunch or for travel, talagang minimension isama mo si Madam Ten Gibbs. So, hindi na bago sa kanya yon. So, nung sinabi ko sa kanya na merong nag-invite, si Madam Shay, dumating sa airport kahapon, ini-invite kami for dinner, sumakay talaga siya sa plano namin, guys. Nakita nyo naman, napaniwala talaga natin siya. At hindi talaga siya nag-expect na merong bridal shower na magaganap. Of course, a big shout out. Everything will not be possible without the head of the family. Ayan, bukod sa aming nanay, andyan din ang aming nanay-nanayan, ang aming eldest sister, Madam Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. Maraming salamat. You are really the best eldest sister in General Santos City. Wag naman in the world. Masyado ka naman, sis. Madami pang best elder sister in the world. Hindi lang ikaw. But anyway, guys, you heard the messages of my siblings during the speech time. Sinabi ng mga kapatid ko na if they will be given a chance to choose sa magiging kapatid nila, they will not change anything. They will gladly and they will be very, very happy to have us again as sisters. So to hear that from your siblings, it means nakakapang ano ng loob, no? Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi ka man perfect, but you are loved. Hindi ka man perfect, but you are appreciated. Hindi ka man perfect, pero you are respected for who you are, both your weakness and your strength. But yeah, it was an amazing party. Sobrang nasayahan ang lahat. Yung tawa namin, guys, hanggang sa, hindi ko alam kung may sobra pa na tawa hanggang tenga, lumabas na hanggang dito, guys, sa hangin. Umutot-utot na kami sa kakatawa. Sobrang enjoy, hindi namin ini-expect. Now, with just a few number of people, we did an amazing job, and the bride-to-be enjoyed very much. You saw how much she enjoyed the surprise. She cried. She was so emotional. She did not expect her best friends to be there. Shout out kay Ma'am Noreen and kay Ma'am Ginaline for being there. You guys are awesome. Ito ang mga best friends ni Madam Ten Gibbs since she was high school, you guys. She has 3 closest friends lang talaga. Na talagang malapit sa puso niya, malapit sa bituka niya, malapit sa atay niya, yung tatlong yan. And of course, shout out kay Eli na hindi nakapunta. You lost a lot, girl. Hindi, joke lang. We missed you there. Shout out sa mga kapatid ko, lahat ng kapatid kong babae na nandun. Of course, si Boss Jean. See you tomorrow sa iyong long gown, be! And Madam Bibi is there, of course. Madam Tets also is there. Kahit gaano ka-busy yung teacher namin na kapatid, hindi pwedeng mag-say no kapag kapatid yung merong i-celebrate. I was there, of course. My eldest sister, the organizer, was there. My mama was there. The trusted secretary, assistant, purchaser sa lahat ng negosyo ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Kay Ate Balaling, shout out sa'yo. Maraming salamat. They are together, guys, I believe for more than 10 years na talaga. So solid na solid yung friendship, guys, no? And ano pa ba? Who was there? Of course, kay Gracie, ang trusted assistant ng Madam Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe natin. She was also there, loving Mayumi all the time as usual. Ang aming kinakusgang inahan sa kanunay panabang, Mama Dina Aranda Pareño. Dagang salamat, Mama, sa pagpalangga sa MUA. Dagang salamat, Mama, and we are very happy and blessed and grateful that you are still with us and you still look younger even. Kasi ilang beses, guys, napagkamala na ako yung nanay. I-promise ko sa inyo na lagi ako tinatawanan ng mga kapatid ko. I mean, hindi naman ako nasasaktan. Kasi I'm happy to know that my mother looks very young and she doesn't look stressed. Pero nasi-stress ako kasi sobrang stress ko na pala talaga. That means we need to love ourselves more this 2025. O, diba? Pero anyway, sino pa bang hindi ko baka may nakalimutan pa ako. Mga kapatid ko, yung dalawang friends, si Mama, Si Gracie, kami lang guys. Si Miss Giselle dapat pupunta siya but she was not able to come kasi nga she had another thing to take care of, pero she will be there for the wedding. Ayun. Shout out kay Miss Giselle na inuna ang labahin kaysa sa kay Madam Ten Gibbs. Patay ka, singilin ka niyan bukas. Ano pa ba guys? Yeah, the cake was amazing. Masarap yung pitoy-petoy na cake guys. Hindi ko alam sinong gumawa nun. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko kilala ang gumawa, pero 5 inches lang talaga yung nakayanan niyang gawin. Hindi umabot ng 7 or 8. 7 sana yun para lucky inches, lucky number. Lucky 7. The cake was amazing. The food, of course, Casamia, Jensen, dyan sa may Fatima Uhaw. The food was also good. This is not a paid advertisement, you guys. I do recommend business if they are worth it. Masarap po yung pagkain nila. Nashock ako sa anghang nung kanilang creamy beef steak, pero masarap naman siya. Ano pa ba? The service was also good and sobrang cheap lang guys. For only 3,000 pesos, meron ka ng KTV room na private na it can fit like 10 to I believe 30 people can still fit there. Meron na siyang sound system, meron na siyang karaoke, meron na siyang air conditioner, meron na siyang sofa. It's located on the 4th floor. Ang ganda ng view sa umaga at sa gabi. City light sa umaga, yung Mount Matutum. And 3,000 pesos na bayad is consumable guys hanggang sa huling patak. Yes. Consumable siya. In-order namin lahat ng pagkain namin sagad to the bones. Walang natira kahit piso. Nag-tip na lang kami guys. Ayun. Ano pa ba yung in-enjoy namin doon? Sorry, chinecheck ko lang kung nagre-recording tayo ha. Ano pa ba? So, na-surprise namin siya. The games. Oh my goodness guys, the games. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko sa kakatawa. Kung makita nyo lang talaga, nakita nyo sa video, nakita nyo, pinilit ko talagang, parang gusto ko sila isabay-sabay i-zoom. Promise ko sa inyo yan. Sa sobrang tawang-tawa talaga ako. Kung hinahanap nyo ako sa balloon game, hindi ko kaya magputok ng balloon guys. I have that fear pa talaga, hindi ko talaga kayanin. Kung hindi kaya ni Boss Jane, nakita nyo si Boss Jane guys? Sino makaputok ng lobo kung gano'n ang energy mo? Kahiya naman itong ang kapatid ko na to, talo sila sa laro dahil sa kanya galit na galit si Madam Bibi But the games was very brilliant. Of course, prepared by Madam Sheena and staff. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng staff ni Madam Sheena, kay Michi, kay Jo. Sino pa bang tumulong na mag-prepare? Kay Gracie, of course. I'm sure Kyle was also there. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong nyo guys. We love you so much. Thank you for the love sa family namin. And of course, pagmamahal nyo sa boss ninyo na si Madam Sheena. Kahit sobrang maldita niya, pero nandyan pa rin kayo, napipilitan kasi sinasahuran kayo. Okay lang yan. Ano pa ba? Ang ganda ng games. First game we had was the blowjob game. Second lang ako dun guys kasi medyo nakulangan tayo ng hangin sa pagboblow. Kailangan pa natin ng practice. Kinalawang tayo ng konti. Pero nasya kami sa nanalo. Si Boss Jean ang nanalo. Parang 3 blow niya lang. Pasok agad, panalo agad. Ang galing ni Boss Jean guys. Round of applause for her. And then for the next game we had the i-shoot mo baby. I-shoot mo yung hotdog sa bottle. Second ring lang tayo doon. Pero walang tatalo kay Madam Ten Gibbs na ikakasal na lang. Virgin na virgin pa. Hindi niya talaga na-shoot yung hotdog. So, tawa kami ng tawa sa kanya. Then, yung third game namin na ibuka mo, baby. Yung 2 bote na medyo lalayo hanggang sa hindi mo na siya makayang ibuka yung legs mo para hindi mo dapat matumba yung bote. So, maganda din yun, nakakatuwa. I just, found out na grabe pala itong mga kaibigan ng kapatid ko, guys. Mga gymnast. Oh! May mga gymnast pala kami dito na mga kasama kagabi. Then, ano pa ba yung game namin na nilaro? Oh, yes, yung pagboblow ng balloon gamit yung, sorry guys. Yung pagboblow ng balloon gamit yung accessory na up and down. Sobrang hirap. Ang dali niya lang tingnan pero apakahirap talaga. So, nakita nyo, I failed with that one. Natalo kami dun sa game na yon. Natalo din tayo sa game na ibuka mo, baby. Hindi ako naglaro sa balloon popping na game kasi takot ako sa lobo. Madam Bibi was really on the go, guys. Nakita nyo, power na power. Pero walang makakatalo sa power ng 2 kaibigan ng kapatid ko. Kay Ginalyn tsaka kay Norin. Lagot kayo sa mga asawa nyo talaga. Kasi, kaya pala tumatagal yung relasyon ninyo ha. Kasi grabe pala kayo grabe kayong pumutok ng lobo ha. Tawang-tawa talaga ako guys, pero sa lahat sa inyo, wag ninyong i-miss. Kung mapanood nyo ito, balikan nyo ng isang step guys. May upload ako bago itong video na to. Huwag ninyong i-miss ang kada segundo ng video na pinaiyak ko sa prank si Madam 10 Gibbs. Ayun, panoorin ninyo guys. Halong tawa at iyak talaga kayo dyan. Sa lahat ng mga nanood na, mga nag-comment na, lahat ng napaluha, ng tumawa, lahat ng nakautot dyan, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo guys from the bottom of my heart. Sa lahat ng mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sa lahat ng nanonood sa amin, ng mga anak ko, ng pamilya ko, pagmamahal nyo sa amin na very sincere kahit hindi nyo pa kami nakikita at na-meet. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga nagpapadala ng mga regalo, nag-share ng blessings nila both from Philippines and also from abroad, maraming salamat as well. You know who you are. Thank you guys. Until now, it's quite unbelievable for me sometimes na merong mga tao nagpapadala ng mga blessings nila to my children, sometimes to me. Ang hirap. I'm speechless kasi you have not met me, but you guys are trusting me. You guys are not really hesitating na mag-share ng blessings niyo sa amin. Maraming salamat po, everyone. And right now, like I said, we are busy for the last minute preparation para sa kasal bukas. Of course, hindi ko kayo iiwan. Isasama ko kayo. Huwag kayong malilate. Okay? Kita-kits tayo sa venue ng alas 8 ng umaga para sa makeup. Then, kumain kayo kasi wala kayong sa budget ng breakfast. Sa mga nanonood lang to, isasama ko kayo by vlog ha. Baka mamaya pumunta talaga kayo dun sa venue. Mahirapan tayo kasi intimate wedding lang yun guys. Intimate wedding lang yun. Konti lang, 30 lang talaga kami. But that's what's gonna happen today. Of course, we are all very excited for Madam 10 Gibbs. We are all very excited for our friends who's coming and joining us to celebrate this union of marriage. This kasalan, sakalan, whatever you call it. Baka may magtapon ng asin bukas. Titingnan natin ano mangyayari tomorrow. But yeah, it's an amazing day yesterday, and I'm sure there's more of days like that sa mga susunod pa nating episode. Okay guys, so once again, time check natin, it is 10:50 ng umaga. Ayun lang, ako muna'y magdadahan-dahan na. Tutulungan ko na naman si Miss Giselle mag-organize ng shop. As you can see, meron pa kaming dapat gawin, pero we have now our new space. Punong-puno kami guys, from the left to the right, up to the back. Kulang na lang magsabit kami sa taas ng toilet. Then, meron akong ilalagay dito na idadagdag ko kasi this one, I got this from Bali, Indonesia. When we traveled there, this is the popular dream catcher na handmade sa Ubud, Indonesia. Ayan, Ubud, Bali pala. Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. Ang ganda guys, 'di ba? So pretty. So I got this white one and we're going to put it somewhere here sa shop. Titingnan natin saan siya babagay. But yeah, that's our update. Of course, huwag kayong magpahuli sa mga new stocks namin. Meron kaming mga bagong dating ngayong buwan and next month as well. Marami kaming bago guys. So kung ayaw ninyong ma-miss yung mga binibenta ko dito sa aking boutique na mga dresses from Bangkok, Thailand, meron tayong co-ords, meron tayong sleepwear, meron tayong airport OOTDs, meron tayong maxi dresses, long sleeve dresses, mid-length dresses, casual smart event dresses, formal event dresses, meron din tayo, daily wear, meron din tayo, bestida, meron tayo, summer dresses, meron tayo. Hit me up dito sa page na to, Tindera sa Africa. Ayan, wag niyo pong kalimutan. Maraming salamat once again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Much love, Princess Higa. Hey, come here. Wow. Kalbi Higa. Wow, have a ribbon. Have a ribbon. Hug Mama B. I'm so proud of you. Let me see you. And you. Oh, wow. Chica, have a ribbon. I'm so proud of you. Come hug Mama. That's Lolo. Wow, you're so smart. How many? How many ribbon did teacher give you? 2. How about the other friends? How many? 1 lang. So you 2. Kay and you 2.
Yeah, because I grown up.
You grown up.
Yeah.
Mama, you deserve something, yeah? Not right on mommy stuff, ha?